Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are going to be making oysters with ramen noodles. This is a pretty simple recipe. It'd be good for a little quick lunch or a little small dinner, and it'd even work great for college students. So what you'd need, just get some oysters. I got some smoked oysters here, which I love smoked oysters. So and then I got some shrimp flavored ramen noodles. You can probably just get whatever flavor you want to get for this. And there's some yum yum sauce, which you can get in your Asian section of your local grocery store, or you can even get it at the Oriental stores if you're lucky enough to have one in your area. So, and they're really great Oriental stores are really great places to get some really good stuff. Alright, well, let's get this going and see how things go and see if you guys like it, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, I got 2 cups of water boiling here. So next step we do is we'll put the ramen noodles in here, get them cooking, and it only takes about a few minutes to get that done. One of the noodles out on the burner there. Alright, well, those are cooking. I'm going to go ahead and open up your oysters here, and we'll get them open. I know this don't necessarily look good for a lot of people, but I just absolutely love them. For something that don't look all that great, they do taste good. It may be an acquired taste, but I kind of grew up on them. So we'll just work on getting these ramen noodles stirred up and cooking. Now these oysters are already cooked, but what I'm going to do just to kind of heat them up a little bit is I'll go ahead and throw them in here. This will get them warmed up. And here I'm going to also help with getting them stirred in. So there we go. And the noodles are almost done here. So alright. So we'll just get that going here. You can see the noodles are pretty much warmed up. Just a minute or just a little longer here. Alright. Could stop here and just make it in the soup, but I'm going to wind up draining this, so. Alright. So the noodles are done, so I'm going to turn this off. Now I'm going to drain this, and then we'll put the rest of it together, okay? Okay guys, next thing we do, we're going to just dump it in here. Get it drained up. Let it drain. Alright. That in there. Okay. So it's good and drained. It's good and washed up. Alright. Now on to... Okay guys. Now, what we're going to do is dump the oysters and the ramen noodles in the bowl here. Okay. And then you want to take the little sauce packet, or you can just skip this part. It's your personal preference. I like to put it in there. And Get it stirred up in there. Get it mixed in. Alright. So now we'll just take 1/4 of a cup of the Yum Yum sauce. And I'm going to measure it out here, but if you want a little bit more in here you can, but I figure with my little experimenting I've done, about 1/4 of a cup works really good, so it makes a nice little sauce. And just get it all mixed in here. Alright, so here we go. Okay guys, we're done here and got it set. And we're going to give it a try here. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, okay. Well, just look at that. I just love how, it's one of my favorite things about ramen noodles is how long they are. Let's get a, got an oyster in that one. It's really good. This is really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a try. I really like it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you tried it and want to try it. Any suggestions. If you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Just remember to ring that notification bell for if you would get a notification from my videos. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later.